Hello everybody, this is an 07997 evaporator core. This is the complete unit from Porsche, genuine, okay? Now, there's some things that bother us. The old unit has a seal around the limit switch, the fan resistor assembly, and that actually goes here. So there's no seal on the new one, and the little clip is missing for it. The new one doesn't have the clip, doesn't have a seal. Same here, no seal for this door. The old one has a seal. And same here, John was just pointing out. No seals on any of these. So in the end, if you're gonna replace it, you need to make sure you get all of the foam seals. Now, we all know that these blend doors have problems with foam blowing out of the dash. So if you have a 9X6 or 9X7 and you turn on the air conditioner or heater, defrost especially, and you get a bunch of foam, this is where it comes from, okay? You can kind of see it. See that foam? It comes off of those doors. The new one most likely is fine. We have replaced a factory evaporator core out of a Porsche in a 964, and all the material flaked off. The wiring harness doesn't come with it. We understand that. But I mean, the main thing that bothers us is on the old one, and John, do you want to move this? The old one, you cannot move that up and down very much. On the new one, it's very loose. So we have to take it apart to see what's going on. At least the new one comes with a foam plate here that goes into the car. But again, we're missing a lot of other components. We would love to take the evaporator core out of this new one and put it into this old housing, but we don't want to end up with foam flaking out off of these doors. So I hope you learned something from that. Generally, it's really good to go with genuine components. That's what we try to do. But in this case, it's ending up to be an issue, and we're concerned. Thank you.